In 2003, the FBI arrested a man named Andrew Carlson, a stock market trader who turned $800 into $350 million in just 2 weeks. Naturally, they thought he was running a scam, but when they questioned him, he said something crazy. He claimed he was a time traveler from the year 2256. And then, before his court hearing, he mysteriously vanished, never to be seen again. Sounds like a movie, right? But the question is time travel actually possible? Let's break it down scientifically. There are mainly two types of time travels, to the future, to the past. Thanks to Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, we know time is not constant. Time can slow down or speed up depending on speed and gravity. This is called time dilation. Example 1. Speed. If you travel in a super fast spaceship close to the speed of light, 10 years for you might be thousands of years on Earth. In fact, this was proven by actual experiments in 1971. Even today, astronauts like Janande have time traveled a bit. He aged 0.02 seconds less than us. And example 2, gravity. The closer you are to the strong gravitational field, like a black hole, the slower time moves for you. This is exactly what happened in the movie Interstellar, where 1 hour nears a black hole, 7 years on Earth. And guess what? That was scientifically accurate. But what about going back in time? Einstein's theory doesn't deny it. Theoretically, wormholes, tiny tunnels in space-time, could connect the past and future. Physicist Kip Thorne even says these wormholes appear naturally but are smaller than atoms. To use them, we need negative energy, which is still theoretical. But there's a catch: paradox. The grandfather paradox. If you went back in time and killed your grandfather, how would you be born? And the next one, which was very interesting paradox, the predestination paradox. What if trying to prevent an accident actually causes it? This paradox make backward time travel extremely complicated, maybe even impossible. There's also cryosleep, freezing the human body to slow aging. It's shown in sci-fi movies like Passengers, and NASA is working on it. Not full cryosleep, but 2 weeks stasis chambers using low temperatures. In Japan, a real man once survived 24 hours in hypothermic sleep at just 22 degrees Celsius. He recovered fully, so it's not just fiction anymore. And technically, we already look into the past. When we observe distant stars or galaxies, we are seeing light from millions of years ago. Even James Webb Telescope helps us observe the early universe, literally the past. So, time travel to the future is already happening, just in tiny amounts. Time travel to the past is full of paradox and may never be possible. The story of Andrew, sadly it was fake, originally published in a satirical tabloid, but it does open the door to curiosity. And that's the beauty of science and imagination. So what do you think? Will time travel ever be real, or is it just a dream wrapped in fidgets? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, check out my past videos, how I earned my 10K and even more. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next.